Hello friends, good afternoon. This is 220 and previously we have analyzed the index that is Nifty and Bank Nifty and observed that Nifty is in worst to breach its trigger line and Bank Nifty has already breached its trigger line and is way ahead and given the confirmation that it has initiated the bullish trend. So for the BTST trade or the trend which has just shown the confirmation through our strategies, that is super trend and MACD and Ichimoku and MACD, we have generated the list and I'm going to share the same for your knowledge. One. See, this is the list generated by the strategy Supertrend and MACD, and around 15 stocks have been identified. That is Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, DNFC, Bank of Baroda, NMDC, Coal India, Balrampur TV, Camfin Home Limited, Aurobindo Pharma, LIC Housing, Tata Communications, Title Company, the Federal Bank, Zydus Life Sciences, State Bank of India, ONGC, IndusInd Bank, and POS Limited. These are the stocks which has been sorry. This these are the stocks which are have initiated the bullishness, and we will analyze one by one. Similarly, we have got the list of another stocks which is also being shared. One. What is happened? The technical fault is there, I think. One minute. I'm just trying to show the list on the basis of the strategy Ichimoku and MACD. So these are the two stocks which is which are satisfying the conditions for bullishness through the strategy Ichimoku and MACD. The list is very short, that is Canara Bank and Bank of Baroda. So Canara Bank and Bank of Baroda is common in both the strategies, so we will just take one of the strategy to analyze the same. Rest of the strategy, Ichimoku and MACD should be analyzed by yourself. And if you have some problem, just communicate with me on the comment section. I will try to clarify the same at the earliest. So I am just I'm opening the chart right now because 15 stocks are there, so I will not explain each and every aspect of the strategy. We will just see how to complete the same. See, according to the strategy, PNB. First is PNB. One. First is PNB. So PNB. See, I'm just giving the trigger price. We have got the trade confirmation at around 11:30. Super trend has given the trade confirmation at around 9:50. MACD has given the trend confirmation at around 11:30. So now we will just have the trigger price, that is 68 rupees 35 paisa, and the target is 70 rupees 10 paisa. Thereafter, the stock is moving the, we can identify the target to daily basis. So initial target has been met, 70 rupees 5 paisa. Then Canara Bank. Can Bank. See here, instant signal has been generated by Supertrend and MACD at around 1 p.m. today. So 1 p.m. today. We'll just check 26 period back to identify the highest price, and this is the highest price, the close of the this candle which has generated the trend confirmation, that is 356.10. This is trigger price 356.10, and thereafter we just move to the higher time frame to get the target. This first target is 362.75. Just move to the higher time frame to identify the trend. This is the new high. No, sorry, 40. Second target is 40. This is this target is calculated on the basis of weekly candle analysis. So one can expect at least a month to achieve this target. Saving the layout. GNFC, Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemical. Today at itself it has been explained and analyzed. So please check that particular video. I'm moving forward. That is Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda. Bank has given the trade confirmation at around 115, And regarding the trend confirmation for bullishness at around 115. MACD has given the signal at around 12:15. Super trend has given at around 115. So 115 candle will be taken into consideration for calculating the for determining the trigger price. So we will move back 26 period to check the highest price which the stock has made during this particular period. So the trend confirmation at around 115, the close of trend confirmation is the trigger price here. Target is 208. And rest of the target as calculated by the previous stock, that is Canara Bank, you can calculate. Though time is less, so I am moving forward for the second stock. NMDC. NMDC. In NMDC, we have got the trend confirmation for bullishness by these two indicators simultaneously. MACD has given the initial uh, has given the positive crossover at around 11:30, and super trend has generated the signal at around 12 p.m. So we will just look 26 periods back to identify the trigger price. And the highest place during this particular period will be the trigger price. So 140.40 is the trigger price. Target is 145.85. Second target is 149.35, and third target is 155.85. First two targets can be achieved within 2 to 4 days, whereas third target of 155.85 will take time. At least 15 days one has to wait to achieve this target. This is my view, and there is no perception behind it. This is my view that stock will attain this price, this target within 15 days. There is no theory behind it. The third target is 155. It will take time. And at least 15 days is necessary to the stock to achieve it. Now comes Coal India. Coal India. See, Coal India, we are just saying that these two indicators have given the trend confirmation regarding the bullishness. instantly at around 12 am today, and for determining the trigger price, we have to look back 26 period back and to check the highest made by this stock in this particular duration. Highest made was the current candle close, means signal confirmation candle close. So 276.40 is the, yes, 276.40 is the trigger price. Thereafter 270 294.85 is the present target. Thereafter 307, and lastly target is very far, that is 336. Almost 2 months or 2 to 3 months is necessary to achieve this target 336.85. First two targets will be achieved within a span of 10 days, whole India. Now Balrampur Chini Mill. So simultaneously, the two signals has been generated and the trade confirmation was given by MACD at around 11:15 a.m. today. The trigger price has been fixed around 409.10 and the target is 413, 420 and 430. In short term, the same can be achieved. So I will move further. Camping homes. In camping homes, though the signal has been generated but the trigger price is very high, it has not been reached till now, so one should not initiate the trade. Trigger price is 178.55. After reaching the target will be 784, 794 and 812. All the target can be achieved in short term. Aurobindo Pharma. In the morning, we have got the state confirmation instantly by both the indicators, that is MACD and super trend. And from here, we will just check the trigger price. So this is the trigger price, roughly 883.75. Thereafter, the initial target is 188.10 and 915. So this target can be achieved today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. Within the span of 3 days, one can see this level. LIC for housing finance has already been analyzed. Titan has already been analyzed. Please check the previous videos of today. I'm just concentrating on Tata Communication. Tata Communication. See, in case of Tata Communication, MACD has given the signal at around 12:30 p.m. today, and Supertrade has given the signal at around 1 p.m. So the candle which has been formed at 1 p.m. will be taken into consideration for fixing the or determining the trigger price. This one. And this is the highest price. So 1083.35 is the trigger price, above which the stock will move further. The target is 1905, then 1926, and thereafter 1964. So friends, I'm just giving Federal Bank, Zydus Life Sciences, State Bank of India, ONGC, Indus Bank, and BOT for your analysis. Just try to analyze the same and revert back to me if you need, if you see any, if you are having any doubt. So friends, just analyze these five stocks and I am waiting for your comments so that I can just uh, able to clarify the same at the early. So friends, thank you very much for watching the video, and I'm just uploading the same at the end.